Hello everyone, today I'll be unboxing my Cocoa Daisy planner kit. I'm not exactly sure if that's what it's called, but I got the planner kit for June 2020. Okay, so it comes like this. So the first thing is this little card, and it always has the theme of the month, which is To the Sea, and a little card from Christine, or not a little card, a little note from Christine, and then Cocoa Daisy, refer a friend. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay, this is cute. This is new. I don't think I got this last month. Okay, that's cute. That's a referral thing. And then here's the kit. Like I said, I got the planner kit, and the planner kit's about $38, but I'm debating on whether just to get the inserts, because a lot of the stuff in the planner kit I don't necessarily use. And she has add-ons and stuff like that. Like, she has a planner add-on, but I don't know when she puts it in the shop. That's the thing. Because every time I find it, it's already sold out. So, because the add-on is like $22, I think it is, or whatever. And it usually comes with the pouch and a bunch of other stuff. But I can never get a hold of it. Okay, so the first thing this month, and some of this stuff is random, like it might be here this month and not the next month. But we have a little, let's see, I don't know if it, oh, okay, it is a stick-on one of a little turtle. That's cute. I like that. I don't know if I would use it, though. That's the only thing about that. So that's like one item I'm not too sure I would use. The next item are the sticky notes, and this month the sticky notes are really small. Last month I think it was actually like a real square, if I remember correctly. If you hear that in the background, that's my PlayStation on, and it's the background music to my thingy. Sorry about that. I'm going to try to edit that part out. And it says, just keep swimming. That's cute. I like little sticky notes, because you're not necessarily going to use the big square ones, you know, like the whole page. Velvet. Move, Velvet. Thank you. Love you. Okay, and then here are the die cuts. These, I think the sticky notes you always get, and these die cuts you always get. I'm not too sure about the patch. Okay. And these die cuts, they're not sticker, they're cardstock. So, these, I don't know if I would, stop, Velvet. These, I don't know if I would use, but I guess I could put them in, like in a spread glue and stuff. So I guess I could. So let me just show you all the die cuts that we got this month. Okay, so these are cute. Like I said, you could use them in a spread. Okay, and then you get tabs as well. What's that? You get 6 tabs as well, which is cool because you get papers too, so you can use those for dashboards. I'll put those back together later. And then you also do get stamps every time. I don't use stamps at all. So, but these are really, really cute. I like these. Because usually when I try to stamp, they get all messed up. And they don't come out very good. So I really don't do the stamps. But I don't know. Okay, and this time, this time, these are, what are these called? Rub-on stickers? I don't know. I've never tried these. I've gotten these before in like a planner kit, but I've never used them or anything like that, so I don't know how good they are. This was not in last month's, so this is like a rare thing, or maybe every other month. I'm not sure, because I just started back up last month, but I used to subscribe to Coco Daisy years ago, like 4 years ago, and then I quit, and then I seen last month's theme and then this month's theme, and I thought it was so cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to do next month's theme because I'm not really feeling it, so I might skip it. I don't know if I can skip it or I have to cancel and then re-sign up. I'll have to look into that. Okay, so next up we have a checklist pad. This is cute. I think we just got a regular pad last month. I can't remember exactly. But this is cute. I really like this little checklist. And it's a small checklist. Oh, something's on that paper. I don't know what that is. But it's a small checklist because I hate when you get checklist pads and there's like 30, things you can write down. Who's going to have 30 things every day to write down? Okay, so she does give you extra ink for your pens, so that's cool. And then the stickers you get in the planner kit is, I think you get this sticker sheet in all of them. Like all the kits or whatever. I believe so. And then the other stickers you get in the planner kit are these like header ones. And then some script ones. Okay, and then the last sticker sheet you get the dates and some weekends and the weekdays. I don't know why you would use that, but because there's already days on the inserts. I don't know, and a couple other random stickers. So, and then the papers. Okay, so here's the first paper. This is cute. I really like this one. And then that's the back side. And then we have this one. And this is the back side. I like this side better than this side. And then we have this one. And then this one. Okay, so like I said, you could use those to make dashboards. And the next thing is the pen. And this one is just a regular, like a tealish pen. I think one of the other kits gets a different pen, because I seen a pen that had different colors. Or maybe, because I don't think that was for the August kit. I don't know, I'll have to look that up, because I did see one that had like orange here, red here, yellow here, green here. I don't know. But this is the pen that I got. And it's, if I can get this stuff off so I can try it out. Okay, I got most of it off. Okay, so try it out. Whoa. What's going on? See, now it's an issue. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so it writes well. I have an issue with pens because of how I write, so I can't really tell you how good the pen writes. And here's the washi that you get. Depending on what kit you get, depends on which washi you get. I think the add-on, I think there's an add-on you can get where you get all the washi for that month, which I think is 3 of them. But this month I didn't care because this was the only washi I wanted. So I'm glad it came in the planner kit. I thought this was super cute. If I can find the end. Okay, there we go. So, I thought that was super, super cute. So, I'm glad I got that. Okay. Put that back. Okay. And onto the inserts. Okay, so she always gives you a dashboard for each month, but it does have the year on there. I wish she didn't put the year because I have been known, me personally, I've been known to actually use these kits in like another year, and it looks like these holes are not lining up. I hope they go in right because they're not even. I'm gonna have to find out about that. And she does put the month here, so if you used it a different year, you would have to like stick another month or just cover it up. You don't need the month right there. And so her inserts are broken down to, you get these sheets, which is a weekly, like not a weekly spread, but like a week on one page. Like just I use it like if I have appointments or something, I'll put it here, that way I'll see what's going on in the week and not have to look at the week inserts, if that makes sense. I don't know if it makes sense, but a lot of people use this for other stuff. So she does give you like extra, because like sometimes there'll be 5 weeks, sometimes there'll be 4 weeks in a month. You always get 5 to make sure that it fits with that month, whether it's 4 or 5 weeks. And then on the other side is a grid page where you can write notes, which I like. And then, okay, let me put that there. Okay. Okay, and then you'll also get, I should have showed that before this, but you get a month on 2 pages. So this the notes page that comes before the month spread. And I really like this. I like how this turned out. And then on the back is the same for each month. It'll show a year at a glance. And then next is the weekly inserts, which you get a dot grid. And then here is the week on 2 pages. Okay, so she always has the week of on here, and she shows the days. But I like that she doesn't have the dates, because then it's worthless if 1 week you don't plan anything, But she does have Saturday and Sunday like together. That's the only issue if you have plans for the weekend. And then she has a grid dot. She has a grid page on the back. And then On top of that, you also get dailies. This is why I like her stuff. This is why I like her inserts, because you get the daily, you get the weekly, you get the monthly. So, and she gives you, I believe she gives you 31, just in case. And so, her daily to-dos, these, I think this side doesn't change. I can't remember. But the hydrates, one is always going to be different. Like, it might be a soda, it might be a coffee. It depends on the theme of the month. But there's always to-dos, there's always must-do, and call or email, and then schedule. I think this side of the page is always the same. But this side of the page can change, I believe. Or it used to change when I used to be subscribed to her. So, for this month, it's 15-minute pickup and meals. And then you get a square of grid paper for notes. You always get the square, but like it might be different. Like it might not be 15-minute pickup and meals. It might be something else, like goals or anything like next month or something like that. It does change as far as I know, unless you decided just to keep it that way. But that's everything that I got in my Cocoa Daisy. I will leave a link below so you can sign up. I'm not exactly sure how she has the sign-ups, or if she just has them open all the time, so you could just sign up for the next month. So, I'll also have a link of her Instagram if you are wondering what the next theme is. August theme is kind of like a floral theme. She hasn't really shown too much of the kit, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.